How to change your birthday on Discord account. So to change your birthday, first open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser. Now on the search bar, search for Discord support. And here on the first search, you will have support.discord.com. Click on that. And now on the upper right corner, you will have submit a request. Click on that. And here you will have a drop down bar. You can click on the drop down and then go to trust and safety. And here you have to enter your email address. And here, if you want to change your birthday, choose appeals, age update and other questions. And after that, click on this drop down and then click on update my age information. And now you have to enter your phone number, but this one is optional, but you have to enter your date of birth. So if you are writing for your team, then enter their date of birth, and if you are writing for yourself, then enter your date of birth. And after entering the date of birth, scroll down and click here so that you have confirmed that you have attached the required materials. And here on the subject, you can write for change age. And now scroll down, and under the description you have to write something about your topic, and then under the attachments you have to click on add file, and then you have to add some files. Attach a photo by writing your username on a paper, and after that you have to drop those files here. And after entering all of this information and then entering that file, you can click on submit. And that's it. That's how you change your birthday on Discord account. This was the only way. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.